Welcome to our tutorial on creating a basic teacher Google site. In this video, you'll learn how to take your basic Schooloop teacher page and turn it into an accessible and responsive Google site that meets district standards. To prepare for your new Google site, you should have all of your content saved to your computer. If you need help with this, please take a look at our online tutorial for saving your Schooloop content first. The first thing you'll need to do is to make sure that you are signed into Chrome with your APS account. It is currently not possible to create a new Google site in Safari or Microsoft Edge. Once you're logged in, click on the Google Apps menu and select Google Drive. Before you create your site, it is important to create a resource folder to house public assets of your site. Create a new folder named Public Website Assets. Next, we will need to change the permissions of the folder to public to make sure parents can view the content we decide to publish. With the folder selected, click the Share icon in the upper right. Next, click Advanced, then Change, select Public on the Web, and save. This ensures that documents you place in this folder and use on your website will be viewable by all parents. Next, let's move your saved website content to this folder. First, the profile picture, and next, your teacher bio. Next, select New, More, and Google Sites. This will create and open your new site. Next, you will need to add a title to your site. This title here is your site document name and is visible only to you. This one here is the site name, and it appears in the header of your site as well as in the title bar of your browser once it's published. As for the page title, each page you create in your site has its own title that will appear at the top of the page as well as in the navigation menu. Now we're getting to the fun part, picking an image for your site banner. You can upload an image by clicking here and Upload to choose an image from your computer, or you can choose one of Google's site-ready pictures by choosing Select Image. When choosing a picture for your background, avoid using something too busy that may conflict with your text. Next, you're going to want to choose a theme. Keeping accessibility in mind here, avoid choosing a theme and font style that may conflict with the background image of your banner. We recommend using the impression or level themes because any font style you choose will look great. Themes can be found in the toolbar in the upper right-hand side of the page. Now it's time to start adding the content to your new site. On our example Schooloop page, we had a picture with a short bio, so let's go grab that and add it here to our Google site. Open the document that you saved from your Schooloop site with your teacher bio. Select and copy the text. On your Google site, add a text box by clicking on Text Box from the Insert menu. Since the text was copied, it can simply be pasted here in our text box. To add a picture, select Insert, then Images from the right-hand panel. Navigate to and select your profile picture in the Website Resources folder of your Google Drive. You can then move the picture so it is aligned with your text by dragging it up and next to your bio text. You can further manipulate the content by using the handles that outline your content. If you would like to add a document or a list of documents for your visitors to view and download, you'll first need to upload them to your Google Drive Website Resources folder. Please review the tutorial for that on the Web Teams intranet page. Next, we will add your contact information to the site. The footer section, which will be visible on every page of your site, is a great place to enter this content. We recommend including your school name, address, phone number with extension, and email. Once you are happy with how your website is looking, you'll want to publish your site. Up to this point, your site has been in draft and is visible only to you. Once you click the Publish button at the top of the page, you'll be prompted with some options. To be sure that parents and students can access your website, you will want to click Manage and Change, and select Anyone can find and view the published version. Click Save, and done. You can also check the box for public search engines not to display your site. This will make it so that your site will not show up in search results from Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc. Next, you will need to come here to customize the web address of your site. We recommend including your school name and your name in the web address of your site. Finally, click Publish. In order to share your site, click the link icon here and choose Copy Link. Now you are ready to share that URL with your students, parents, and school site webmaster. Congratulations, you've just created an accessible and responsive basic teacher website. For a more in-depth look at Google Sites, please tune into our video on creating a complex Google site.